Hello friends and welcome to the Dojo. In the last video we prepared a sanding stick to reduce the kerfing for the size of the guitar. So today we are going to glue the kerfing to the size of the guitar. This is the last time you're gonna see this guitar looking this way. The idea is to use these hooks for hanging clothes as clamps with some additional rubber to make more pressure to the kerfing gluing to the side of the guitar, and they must go all around. It's good to mention that there are two kinds of kerfing. I'm using the normal kerfing, when you can see the lines of the cuttings of the kerfing, and the other one is the reverse kerfing. That is the one you cannot see the lines of the cuttings of the kerfing when you glue it to the side of the guitar. Some people use it that way as a extra aesthetic of the inside of the guitar. I think this one looks the same and I love it. There is no problem when you're gluing the kerfing if it breaks suddenly. You will see that the kerfing does not fit exactly as the contour of the guitar. You see me now cutting to the length I need, and if I need to add an additional piece, you just cut it and use some glue, a clamp, and that's it, as you will see right now. Now it's time for the other side. Exactly the same operation. As you see me now, I'm removing the inside mold. To remove glue, I'm using too much. That's an excess, and that's not good for the aesthetics of the guitar, the inside. So I must clean it, and of course if you need to remove a piece, it's better with the amount of glue that it sticks but is not blasted. Now the project is looking good. I have to let the glue dry and prepare to the other side. But now it's looking so good, it's taking a good shape, and of course it's time to remove the clamps and repeat. It's important to notice that you have to look very close to the gluing, because you cannot leave any spaces. If so, you have to repair. You have to add a little glue and put some clamps, but for me it's working okay. It was very well applied. Yeah, it's sometimes you lose time in the things you don't imagine you're going to lose time. This part of the process of building an acoustic guitar is very gratifying. I remember that I felt like I was moving forwards, like the project was taking me somewhere. If you're liking these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Very kind of you. Thank you. This last piece of kerfing was not exactly one kerfing size, so I have to sand a little bit to make it the exact amount of distance as you see here. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Next video for sure I'm going to be sanding the kerfing for the perfect radius, so I have to prepare the back of the guitar. See you around.